show you how to make a necklace like this. So let's just get right into it. Step 1. Get some string and cut it the size that if you wrap it around and put it together, it can fit around your neck. Get a bead. It can be any bead or any color. And then thread it through the string and make sure it's in the middle. And tie a knot in it. And now you just gotta separate it. And now you've got your necklace. Gotta take this off to actually wear it. And that's it. Press like on this video if you enjoyed. Bye. See you in the next one.